Hello everybody, welcome to Priya's channel. So today we are making steamed chicken momos. So we need fresh ingredients to make the stuffing of the chicken momos so that it will taste more better. You can add any possible vegetables which can go along with chicken. Like at home I had celery, parsley, ginger and spring onion which go very well with chicken stuffing in the momos and release its own juices to give a perfect momo taste. Next step is we will take any minced meat. I have taken the ready-made one or the frozen one. You can take the fresh one also, and along with that we will add olive oil, soy sauce, salt and cumin powder. Next we will put the minced meat and all the veggies in a bowl and slowly we will mix together all the ingredients. The stuffing should be sticky like this. Next we will add salt and then cumin powder and then soy sauce and then lastly the olive oil. Now here the stuffing is ready. We will cover it with a cling wrap and put it into the freeze to set it down. The next is the dough preparation. So for the dough preparation we need multi-purpose flour, and I have taken a strainer here. So with the help of the strainer I can knead a smooth dough. While kneading the dough, make sure the dough should not be very hard or soft. Otherwise, the good texture of the momo will not come. We will cover the dough with a cling wrap and keep it for 30 minutes. The dough should be soft like this. So the stuffing is ready, small puris are ready, and this is the olive oil. And now we will start how to make momos. I use this mold to make momo and it make my work little easy. Likewise I put the olive oil and brush the olive oil here in the mold so the momo dough will not stick with the mold. Now we will put the puri inside the mold like this way. Now next we will put the stuffing inside the puri, and accordingly we need to check that how much stuffing we are putting so that it will not open while steaming it. See, I am taking the extra stuffing out. Now we will put olive oil in the corners of the momos, and now we will close it after putting it inside. And after putting it inside, after closing, we will push it harder, you can see, and take the extra dough out from the mold. Because of brushing good amount of olive oil inside the mold, the momo will come out very easily. So now my momos are ready. Next we will prepare the very famous red chili sauce for momos. We will put all the ingredients together in a pan and boil it for near to 20-25 minutes. Then we will put it, after cooling it down, we will put it in the mixie and grind it, and it will be ready to eat. It's very spicy. You can lower down the amount of red chilies. Today I will also tell you how to make frozen momos. It will be a ready-made food for the momo lovers who have the momo cravings. Keep the unsteamed momos in a plate like this into the deep freezer and keep it near to 1 to 2 hours of time to freeze it properly. Now here the frozen momos are ready. See? And now you can keep it in the Ziploc bag and eat it later on. You can keep these momos near to 1 month or max to max 3 weeks of time in the deep freezer, and whenever you want to use it, take these momos out and put it in the steamer and it will be ready to eat food. People like me who love to eat momos, these homemade frozen momos are the blessing. Whenever I want to eat, I just take 4 or 5 or 2 or 3 momos out and put it in the steamer for 20 minutes and it's ready to eat along with any chutney or any sauce, like any red sauce or mayonnaise, whatever you like, along with your momos. Now our momos too ready to go into the steamer, and we will put the momos into the steamer and keep it near to 20 to 25 minutes to steam it properly. Now here my pan is ready. Now I will put the steamer into this saucepan and I will keep it for same time as told you, 20 to 25 minutes of time. Here the momos are ready, so it is properly steamed and it's ready to eat. So this is Priya, you were watching my channel. I hope you like the recipe. Please share your views with me. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay home. Bye bye.